Hello and welcome back to my channel. Today let's talk about the sheet metal essentials inside Fusion 360. So before starting the video, if you are new on my channel, so make sure to subscribe to my channel and press the bell icon to get updated. Let's get right into it. I'm in design mode, and as you can see, you can just jump right into the solid mode, surfaces, meshes, and get right into the sheet metals. Before making any sheet metal design, just you need to go for the sketch. Anything you just want to make the base flange, and after that you just add multiple additional flanges to the side and additional walls. So let's try it. I want to go for the sketch and choose this top surface. I want to go for a rectangle and try out the center point rectangle. This is 120, press tab and define 60 and hit enter. I want to finish the sketch right now. Automatically add all converted into an isometric view. And right now, if you go for the extrude, so most probably extrude in case of the sheet metal, we're going to use it for the cutout sections where you need to create some blanks inside the sheet metal and we just want to remove certain sections. While you want to extrude any section as a sheet metal, probably you need to go for the flange, whether you're going to make the base flange or the additional walls. So let's go for the flange, and I'm going to select this, and automatically it detects this walls, and you can go in side 1, side 2, and you can keep it as a center. And I'm keeping it one side, and that is upward, and it is still in millimeters. You can just change the material of that you just want to create the sheet metal part. Right, so the base flange is ready right now. Next, what I can do, you want to create the additional walls. So again, I'm going to go for the flange. By choosing and selecting any of the edge, if you wanted to create an upward edge, you need to select the upward edge. If you want to create the downward, you need to go for the downward selection. But for now, I can do to create the upward flange like this by defining the height 50. You just want to rotate your object by pressing the middle mouse button and rotate your mouse, and then you want to go for this side too. See, and this time you can just create this type of flange right now. So as I talk to you, whether you go for the extrude, you want to create certain sections to extrude too, like this. You can make thicken. But what you can do if you want to create a cutout section, like for example, I just want to create a circular cutout like this, and I want to go for extrude. I want to select this, drop it down. Probably it will automatically take the cut section like this. And next, what you can do, let me just apply some fillets at the top of the edges, like this. You know, they say 12, like this. Enter. And right now, what you can do, you want to create a chain for this side, and choose this edge, defining it 12, and hit OK. Right. So this is how you can just play around with different kinds of the parametric modeling tools while you're going to design your sheet metal parts. Right. So this is how you can do lots of things, like as I told you earlier, whether you want to create an extrude section, same on the top of this, like for example, you just need a section like this, and I want to extrude it, this section up to 3 mm, and I want to hit OK. Again, you can go for the fillet, choose this top surface, select 2, hit OK, and again you want to go for this edge, select 2, and I want to hit OK. That's fine for me, and let me just go and navigate for shell feature, and I'm gonna go for the solid and modify, and I'm gonna go for the shell. And right now what I can do, I do nothing, and let me just point one. See, so you can just create a shell feature as well like this. That's pretty fine for me right now. Great. So thanks for watching, and for the hilarious tutorials, make sure to hit the bell icon and subscribe to my channel to be part of the conversation. Thank you.